Welcome everybody to Carol's art room. I've got an 8x8 tile here and I'm going to do a swipe. Now this is some house paint and some of my runoff paint from a couple of paintings I did earlier. I'm just going to use up the paint for a base. So it's a swipe. Let's make sure there's nothing in here. All right, so what I like to do is do drizzle. I drizzle my paint on and then I swipe over it. I'm going to use phthalo turquoise. It's Sheleeart Premium. Oh, that squirted out the side. It's much faster to do this with my little bottles. Holy moly, that's enough of that. I must have had it open too far. Okay. I got some Lavender Frost by Sheleeart. Oh, I just mucked up my whole bottle. Oh dear. Would have saved a lot of time if I had put these in bottles sooner. But that's okay. Look how pretty that is. I don't have pink in a bottle, so I will just... This is Persian Rose by Amsterdam. That wasn't too bad. I'm going to use a little bit of Athenia by this little piggy. Got some gold in it too. Got a little bit of fairy floss left. I'll use it up because it's really pretty. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Comment below, let me know what you think. I'll answer a question if you have one. It all helps my channel grow so I can bring you more videos. These are all my bloom mixture paints, and my recipes are below in the description of the video. Hit the title and you'll get a drop down. And there's some discount codes in there also for the Sheleeart bloom technique. Lowly Leffy discount code. Meeden Art Supplies code. And the Paint Pour store. So check out the description. Okay, I think that might be good enough. I have a little Oriental Violet. Maybe I'll put a bit of that in. Oh yeah. That's pretty. Okay, let's see what we get. Let's try white. I haven't used white for a long time. And these I got from Tracy Reed. So I'll give these a try. My cell activator. It's Australian Floetrol. I have a smaller one. Tracy Reed has a YouTube channel. She probably has a link in her description where you can get these. looking pretty nice. Okay. And try one more in the corner there. A little bit more on the other side. That one didn't work very well. I'll give it a spin and see what we get. Oops. Color combination's beautiful. Oh, I love how these cells expanded. Beautiful. There. White cell activator. Pretty. See if it's moving at all. a little bit. Give it another spin. I think I better wipe this off. It's going to be spitting everywhere. Cool, really cool. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'll put this dried result at the end of the video. Have a great day. Hi, everybody. Wow, these colors are so pretty. Dried really good. I haven't used white cell activator for a while, but it looks really good against those colors. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Love it. There's larger cells, smaller cells. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.